Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we at SeaWorld Aerodrome and I'm getting the opportunity to drive the Dodge SRT Challenger Hellcat. Sit back and relax. I hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.
Got the gearbox and all of the pedals.
Yeah.
All go the exact same way as normal.
Alright.
Okay, so don't worry about anything else.
Now look at me going the wrong way. I forgot it was left-hand drive. Yeah, man.
Richard McGuire.
Finally made it to the inside. Oh, this is gonna be fun. It's a 6-speed manual. Unfortunately, they only have the black key, which limits to 500 horses, but it's fine still. Look at that McLaren.
Turner, come on, please, so we all take out. Thanks, Mark.
That's it. Go behind this Golf, okay? That's it, go behind him. And then go all the way around here for me. Yes, please, mate. Go around the cul-de-sac.
Immediate availability in our Lamborghini Spider, if anyone would like to add a drive into this vehicle today.
It's a big car, it's humongous, mate.
Yeah, it's literally one of my favourite cars. Like,
Really?
You know
That's
what I
cool,
mean?
isn't it?
Yeah,
They are cool.
Today, £25 for 2 laps of the Lamborghini Spider, and we can get you straight out on track. Flights get booked in, please come and see us at the pit lane desk.
Cool car, I must admit.
Yeah, when I had to choose, like
Yeah?
literally, I was just like, okay, everything else, yes, we can always do later on.
This one has to be now.
This one has to be now. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, I get you. Squeeze the power on for me, pop it in third. Let's squeeze the power on. Good, pop it in third. Good, so, gentle brake, pop it in second again. Lovely, mate. So, are you based locally, or have you had to come far today?
No, base local.
I'm over an hour and a half away, so
Oh,
I'm miles away from it.
Oh, for real?
God, yeah. Right, if you want to take a left for me then. That's it. There's a car behind us doing a hot lap, so I'm just let him go. That's it. If you come down towards these cones, that's it. And then go all the way around. That's it. Come in tight because the car's so damn big.
Yeah.
That's it. Want to get a straight power on, go flat down, go flat. That's it. Stay flat, keep going. Third gear now. Good. That's it. We've got to ease off now for me. Gentle brake. Come off the brakes and roll the speed up the hill. Good. Turn right. That's it. Good. So come up towards the cone box up here.
Yeah.
Go through the box, okay?
Which one?
Through here. Power on. Go through it. Now come to the right hand side. That's it. Good. Then we're going to be lifting off. Go through the first set of cones. Then move left, okay? Power on again. Now move right. Good. That's it on the brakes. That's it. Release the brakes now. Turn through. Squeeze the power on. Stay behind this car for the time being, okay? Hold left, hold left. Good. So, pop it into second. Good. So stay wide. Lovely. That's it. And turn in. Come all the way in. Good. Feed in the power softly. That's it. Hold close to it before we get power on. We'll hold close. Sit. That's it. And we'll should be getting past any time now. That's it. We'll hold close to him for me. That's it. Go past it now. Power on. Go past.
Get out the way.
Go past. Up to third. Come back. That's it. That's it. Pop it in second. It's fast, isn't it?
You know?
Power on. Past it now, go up to third.
Stuart. Thank you, Stuart.
Be done with it, that's it. Lift off on the brakes, down to second. Far left. And then turn it in. Good man, start the car. Unwind it, power on, come across the right side. That's it, third gear. Gentlemen, good, perfect. Want to lift off as you turn in. And power on now, go. Good, fourth gear. Move right. gear. Lovely. So, as this is your last lap, do you want any more laps?
Yeah.
Yeah? And extra 2 laps, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? Come on, good man. Power on, go for it. Pop it to third. Lovely. And then lift, gentle brake. Come off the brakes, come through. Power on, go past that car. Lovely. Lifting off, gentle brake. Sit power on now, go to the right hand side. Lovely. Lifting off now, firm on the brakes, down to second gear. Lovely, that's it. Perfect. Lovely, unwind it, power on. Pop it here, okay? That's it. Third again. Lovely, lift off again. Turn the car in, power on, go. Up to fourth. Lovely, mate. Put up on the brakes. Come off. Turn in, power on, stay left. Good. Now firm on the brakes, down to second gear. So pop in second, stay far to the outside, and then turn in. Good. Come off the clutch. Lovely, mate. We'll put it ease off, ease off, ease off. That's it. Now go, that's it. Good. Into third. Good. Ease off there for a second. Come for the goes. Power on now, move right. That's it. Gentle brake. And then come off the brakes now. Midway through. Go past him again. Good. Lifting off. Firm on the brakes. Down to second gear. Really get it stopped. Turn in. Sit. Get around the corner first. That's it. That's it. Get around first, okay? That's it. Into third. That's it. Ease off the throttle. Turn it in. Power on. That's it. Off the throttle now. That's it. Just roll the speed in. Power on now. Stay left. Lifting off. Gentle brake. Pop it in second gear. That's it. Stay wide. So, come off the clutch. Come to the hairpin. Get round the corner first, okay? So wait for it. Feed it in, soften it out. Unwind it. Now go. Good. Power on. Into third. Good. Keep going. And lift off. Turn in. Power on. Go. Good. Lifting off again. Gentle brake this time. And we're going to be staying left, okay? Before we stay left now, I'm going to leave the track. How was that? Yeah. You are sweating!
I'm trying to focus. This is, like I said, this is my favorite car.
Yeah, good man.
And actually getting to do this, even getting a bit of wheel space. Like,
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah, no, good.
watching from all those Instagram videos, everyone driving these cars mad. Like,
Yeah.
like, you know, I'm speechless. Like,
mate, right, last chance. Go for it, mate, last chance now. That's it. Just let it kick in. That's it. Good. Ease off now for me. On the brakes, slow it down. Pop it in second gear, mate. Lovely. I'm going to turn right here. Spot.
Hopefully the next time I go, they're gonna have the red key, which unleashes the full potential of the engine, which is 707 horsepower. And this time they only have the black key, which limits it to 500 horses. But nevertheless, I still enjoyed the car.
Spot on. Good job. So I'm going to turn left here for me, and we're going to go behind the GTR here. That's it. Go here. That's it. Go here. That's it. And stop. Perfect. Go to first gear for me. That's it. And then turn it off. Perfect. That's it. All done.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you've been enjoying the videos that we've been posting. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you on the next video, folks.